Mr. R wanted us to learn, and I, Shaylee,
And Nate.
And Rayna.
from his 6th period chemistry class, have learned to a B level the following concepts from chapter 15 through 18, our chemistry book. This is not a conclusive list, but my selection of concepts from each chapter that we will remember. In chapter 15, we learned that the high surface tension of water and low vapor pressure is a result from hydrogen bonds. We also learned how a surfactant can be interfere with hydrogen bonds, as well as the fact that the crystalline structure of ice is like a structure of honey. Chapter 15 taught us that a compound that conducts an electric current is called an electrolyte, and that all ionic compounds are electrolytes.
Chapter 16 taught us that compositions of solvents and solutes determine whether a substance will dissolve. It also explains that temperature affects the solubility of solid, liquid, and gaseous solutes in a solvent, and pressure affects a gaseous solute too. In 16.4, we learned that molality is the number of moles of a solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. Also, in 16.4, we learned the freezing point depression of the boiling point elevation are directly proportional to mole concentration.
Chapter 17. In chapter 17, we learned about thermochemistry, which is the study of energy changes that occur during chemical reactions and changes in state. We learned that heat always flows from a warmer object to a cooler object. We also learned about the law of conservation of energy, which states that in any chemical process, energy cannot be destroyed or created. In chapter 17, also taught us what the hell is that?
Calorimetry.
That looks like a bee. Calorimetry is and how the heat released by a system of equals to the head absorbed by the surroundings. Chapter 18. In chapter 18, we learned about rates and now there is a minimum and how there is a minimum. We learned that rates of chemical reaction is affected by temperature, concentration, particle size, and catalyst. We also learned that catalysts reduce the activation energy of a reaction and that an inhibitor interferes with catalyst. We also learned that a spontaneous reaction occurs naturally and favors the products. That is all. Hit the stop button.